Oh no, the bridge is broken again after the rain.
Don't worry, Mr. Fix-It Monkey is here. I'll fix it in 5 minutes.
Monkey, last time you said that, the bridge fell twice.
That's because I was testing gravity, for science.
Science or not, we need to fix it properly this time. Let's work together.
Together? Okay, I'll hammer. You hold the plank.
Monkey, you sent the plank swimming.
It needed a bath. Now it's clean wood.
You're impossible. But fine, let's take turns, slowly and carefully.
Okay, slow like a turtle, but smarter.
We did it! The bridge is strong again.
Of course. Team Monkey Rabbit Construction. 100% fun, 90% safe.